3,356 Tristar Mini. 3,356 Tristar Mini. Josh 3, West 5, Bob 3, Jeff 2, SCHE with 12, Doku 3, Zemski with 4. Alright guys, cool. 5 times with 5 times. And let's go ahead and see what team you guys have for the break. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And sheesh, you're on top. And Zemski's on the bottom. 5 times with 5 times. Team in left, team you guys have for the break. Alright, yeah, those odds are definitely low. Bob, Dolphins, Eagles, Niners, Doku, Browns, Jags, Giants, Jeff, Lions, Texans, Josh, Panthers, Packers, Patriots, Sheesh, Cardinals, Ravens, Bengals, Cowboys, Broncos, Colts, Vikings, Saints, Raiders, Steelers, Bucks, Titans, West, Falcons, Bears, Chiefs, Chargers, Seahawks, and Zemski, Bills, Rams, Jets, and Redskins. That's some high quality drink. Alright guys, good luck. Here we go. Team must match the helmet. Alright, for the Houston Oilers, Tennessee Titans, Curly Cup wrestling champ at ASU. Chiefs and Oilers, Defense Player of the Year, 5-time Pro Bowl. And Curly Cup, yeah, Keith, we'll do those about 1 a.m. Curly Cup, I'll bust them out. Curly Cup Hall of Fame, 13. 13 for the Tennessee Titans. Alright, SCHE 3772. There you go, boss. Very cool. 5 times for 5 times. Top spot, free spot, Tristar Mini helmet. Alright, once, twice, 3 times. 4 times, 5 times. And Josh D. Alright, Josh D and she. $33.56 Tristar Mini. If I do the bonus breaks right now, we wouldn't even get the break started until about 11, probably 11:15. Alright, $33.56 Tristar Mini. Alright, $33.56. Alright guys, very cool. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. Appreciate it. Be sure to join the Facebook and Instagram, P Sports Cards 24. Thank you. Nice helmet.